guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't actually been present on YouTube for maybe around 3 months. When I say not being present, meaning like I haven't actually shown my face, which, oh, my mouth looks a bit dry, which I honestly don't know. Like, obviously personal life came a bit more hectic. I couldn't really do much. Is another Feelunique. Wrong way. Feelunique. It's a beauty subscription box. So this time we're in the month of March. So I want to show you what I got. And based on what I can remember, it was really good picks, I think. So it hasn't been opened, so I'm going to open it now. And as usual, this is what it looks like. And just to give a bit more suspense, I've ordered another beauty product. I maybe have like 4 or 5 of them at this point, and I'm gonna start giving them away, or like taking to the charity shop or giving it to my friends or something. So we're gonna go through and see what I picked this time. It's 5 deluxe samples, so we're gonna see. So just so that we're clear, I'm picking them up one at a time. I can actually feel, oh, this one feels big. So this one is a perfume. Yes, I did order perfume. It's Ghost Orb of the Night, or Orb of Night, which is, that's what it looks like, the packaging. And it's 10 ml. So this is a good travel size. This was on the website before, and by the time it was my turn to be able to order again, I couldn't order it because it was no longer in stock. How do you open this? Oh, it's not like a spray bottle. It's like one of those that you have to like dab it on your hand. And it has a sweet smell. It smells good so far. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. That is what the packaging looks like. So tiny and neat. And then it has Ghost at the bottom. Ooh, so cute. So I did write down a few bits and pieces of like what I think the price would have been. So I think for this it would have been £7.60 just for this 10 ml, which is a decent price, I would assume, for perfume. I'm not quite sure, sorry, because the perfumes that I use are like Tom Ford and Baccarat Rouge 540 and even Curve perfume, which is a bit pricey. So I would assume this is a decent price for a sample size if this was available for sale. So then my next item, as I said, that was already, I saw this on the website months ago. Next one, ooh, is this Laura Mercier lipstick in the shade Aloe Rose. Like so tiny and cute. One thing about the packet, oh, it's upside down, sorry. That's what it looks like. And as you can see, fingerprints are already on there. So let's see what the shade is. So at the back it comes sealed. So it says peel. So I'm just gonna peel it. Look how tiny that is. It looks so good though. Look at the shade. I'm gonna try it on. So I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Chestnut. And let's see how this actually looks. Excuse my hair. I'm going through that stage of like, it's starting to get a bit warm in the UK. So then when it's like humidity and so on, you can see my face even looks, it doesn't look oily, but it's like very moisturized. But then because it's like a bit kind of getting a bit warm, or it might be the heating in the house mixed with the atmosphere outside. My hair starts to get a like poofy vibes, even though it's just got a fresh relaxer. So we'll see. Distractions. Lining my lips. I'm not a good makeup applicator. I'm not good at makeup application. I try my best. Look, yeah, nicer in the lines. And this will have to do. So I've lined my lips. Well, I've tried. And then I'm gonna add the lipstick. Oh, the peel went back up. Let me not do it all the way up. Let's see. It's a pinky shade. On camera, with the lighting, it looks really good on my lips. But let me show you what it looks like on my skin. So that's what the color looks like, which is a decent color. As I said, on my lips, it looks really good against the brown chestnut from MAC. And it kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty, because I did get the Huda Beauty, I think it's called Wifey. It sort of reminds me of that. So I'll be using this via spring. So I think this might be a spring color. Again, I'm not a makeup connoisseur, so I don't know all these makeup terms or when you use certain things, but I'm going to keep it on my lips. Next item, move that aside. Okay, I looked into the bag just a while ago. This is always going to be a trusty one for me, and it is the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia Bright Cream. And let me tell you, I've ordered all the subscription boxes I've been guessing, I've been picking this up. At this point, I should just go and buy either the full price. But the thing is, I don't use these kind of creams. I make my own body butter, so then I would only use this if I'm going someplace very quick and I don't really want to depot my body butter to go there and then to put it back into the stuff. So I'll just take one of these. Well, let me say, this cream smells so good, and checking the website, is no longer available. Oh, and I forgot to say, the Laura Mercier, I'm not quite sure how much that would be, but then I looked online and there was a travel size which came up to like £14. So as this is so tiny, I don't think this is a travel size. I think this is actually a sample size. So I'll just cut this in half and say maybe this is worth £7. So yeah, I would think this may be like £7. But with this now, this cream smells so good. It's not like that. The Bum Bum cream, I've tried that before, and it had this weird, on my skin with my chemistry, it had this weird after smell. But with this one, it doesn't. It actually smells good throughout the day, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling not tacky. It doesn't make my skin feel, you know, when your skin feels tight even though you've moisturized it, it doesn't make my skin feel like that, and I like this. So I've done the pricing based off of the 75ml travel size, and I worked out this one to be, the 25ml to be £6.67, because as you know, prices have gone up, so the prices of everything has gone up. So yeah, this is my third pick. My fourth pick, again, I'm not sure, I didn't see this on the website when I checked it yesterday. So maybe just double check to see if this is the last of it. I think I maybe have like 3 of them at this point. That's how much in love it. I would actually maybe consider buying the full size one. So next product. I don't know why I'm rummaging around like there's loads and there's only 2 left. So this one is the Paulas Choice. The Paulas Choice 1% retinol treatment with peptides plus vitamin C. And it's 5 ml. Again, these stuff are like so cute. Oh, it's like, look at how tiny that is. Again, you can actually use that, go on holiday with it, and just utilize it. And this one, me looking on Space & Co., the price that I saw for an actual 5 ml, which I believe this is a 5 ml of what it is, it was £12. So to be fair, these items I've picked so far is definitely worth me doing the subscription, because the box was $13.95. I think it's $13.95 was for the box. And if this by itself is coming up to £12, this kind of paid for my box alone. So it's really good, in like, not investment, but it's a good trial to use the beauty subscription boxes from Feelunique. And the thing is, this isn't on the site anymore, so I'm assuming this has sold out as well, or they've taken it off. And then the last item is Paulas Choice, the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant and salicylic acid. Quite a mouthful. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And this came in a box before, and I was like so shocked to see this in a box. So like maybe four or 5 boxes ago that I got the Paulas Choice, and like I made my order, and like as soon as I went back onto the website, it was no longer there, so that wasn't there. And me checking the website yesterday as well, this is still on the website. So if you want to try out the Paulas Choice, you can. And I want to give this another try again, because I did use it the last time, because like I wasn't consistent with it. I don't think I saw any results. So now it's coming up to summer. I want a little bit more clearer skin, even though my skin doesn't look too yeah. But I just want like a better skin. So I'm gonna try this out again. And again, this is a travel size. Most likely you can refill this. I think I could have refilled. I think it could have like popped off the top and like pour more in there. But this is such a great size. And if you guys are coming for my nails, every video they're always gonna look the same unless it's some kind of spontaneous thing, because I love nude nails. They look just like my nails, and it's from this brand called Nayo Nails. So I buy my own powder and I take it to my nail tech, and she uses the powder on me. So I don't use their powders, I use this powder because it looks so natural. And the shade is called Natural Beige or Neutral Beige. I think it might be Natural Beige. These are it. So that's it. And did I say the price of this? Yes, this used to be £10. I remember this because I remember when I did the beauty box before, when I got it in, it was £10, and then the beauty box at that time I think was $11.99. So yeah, I think the beauty box now is $13.99. So they think it's still $11.99, plus they just add on the shipping on there anyway, so it's not like a separate charge, I think. But yeah, but yeah, this is what it comes to. So I'm going to show you all the items again. So we have the Paulas Choice, we have the Sol de Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream, we have the Laura Mercier, again upside down, we have the Laura Mercier, full of fingerprints at this point. We have the Ghost Orb of the Night perfume. No, what is it? yeah, eau de parfum. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then we have the Paulas Choice. So after everything, this bag this month, the value came to £44, and it came to £44 and 27p, which is honestly incredible. For the samples that I've got, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, £44 and 27p. You can't go wrong with these. And again, the lip color looks so good. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and always drop down in the comments and say anything, even if it's just a hi or just to say you like the video or anything. I'll always respond back. So until next time, bye guys.